Ciao, this is Chiara and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful hat with the mini beans stitch. For this project I use a Lady Lame. You can find more information in the info box below, and 6.5 millimeters hook. Start with the 21 chain. This is a multiple of 2 plus 1, so 20 plus 1, 21 chain. Now insert the hook in the third chain. Pull up the yarn as a single crochet, but don't close. Now yarn over the hook and insert the hook in the same chain. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and draw the yarn through all 4. One chain to close, and you have your first mini bean. Skip the next chain, and in the second and the next do the same thing. So skip this and insert your hook here, pull up the yarn, yarn over, insert the hook in the same chain, pull up the yarn, and now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and draw the yarn through all 4 loops. And this is the second bean. One chain again, skip the next chain, so skip this one and insert the hook again, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up the yarn, 4 loops and close, and one chain. So repeat until the end of this row. The first row is now complete. One chain and turn your work. Now it's very simple because we work in the left of the mini beans, and each beans here, and in this little hole here, another mini beans. So insert your hook in this little hole, yarn over, pull up the yarn, 4 loops, and you close the 4 loops with yarn over, one chain, and we work in the next hole another mini beans. Remember to make a chain when you close the bean. So in each of these hole we work another mini beans, and you must repeat this until the end of this row. Now repeat row 2 until it's 45 centimeters long. Now my rectangle is 45 centimeters long and 17 centimeters high. Now cut the yarn and leave a long tail because we have to sew the two ends together. So fold the two parts and sew together. Now turn the work and with the same tail we sew the top. Sew on the edge of the top and pull the yarn slowly. Pull all the yarn and sew on to close the hole. For the headband, insert your hook, pull up the yarn and one single crochet all around, one chain, and now one single crochet all around. I advise to insert the marker stitch into the first single crochet. Slip stitch into the first single crochet to close this row. Now 1/2 double crochet all around. We start with the 2 chains and 1/2 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet in each stitches. Now 1 slip stitch into the first 1/2 double crochet to close this round. Repeat this round another 2 times. So we make another 2 rows with 1/2 double crochet all around. So we have 1 row with single crochet and 3 rows with 1/2 double crochet. Cut the yarn and hide the thread. Now the pom-pom, look here, these 2 folds, we insert the pom-pom here, not near the hole, but in this point. Now turn your work. Pull and make a knot. The hat is complete. I want to put this flower as decoration. I use a beautiful C6 cutting dies, this one. The link in the info box below. The flower has a pin, so it will be easier to insert it. I insert my flower in the right side and it's done. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!